I just received a call. It's very early. It's like 10. Yeah, it's 10 a.m. I received a call telling me that I have received something. Today is my birthday. Don't mind my face, I just wake up, y'all. So yeah, let's go and pick up that package. Salam everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Very. I hope everyone is doing fine. So today I'm so excited, guys. Today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Don't forget to tell me happy birthday in the comment section, alright? And guess what, my husband surprised me today with a beautiful cake and a beautiful flower. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Hayati. I really appreciate it, and I really miss you guys. I miss my husband. I'm just so excited, don't mind me. So let's
Happy birthday to you. Yes.
Mashallah.
To you.
Oh my god. Guys, this is my favorite cake. Elle n'a pas vu ça.
Non, on vient d'amener, c'est non, on a amené.
Qui a fait ça? On a acheté.
On a acheté.
On a eu.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Hawa. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire, Hawa. Joyeux anniversaire.
Alors, elle gagne pas.
Faut bouger, alors.
Thank you. Hein?
Faut bouger.
Voilà, tu coupes un peu, sinon ça va. Maintenant, prends une vidéo. Voilà.
C'est bon?
Ah, tes fesses là, tu vois.
Mais il y a beaucoup de fesses. Tu t'arrêtes de te moquer de moi.
Tu sais même pas ce que tu as.
C'est là de te moquer de moi. Là, tu t'as manqué à faire. It's yummy.
So perfect.
What about me?
Hey, don't.
Faites-moi voir la vidéo aussi.
I want to try. It's
Hey,
nice.
j'arrive.
Tu as dit?
On va manger tout ça.
Ok.
Ça fait.
Tu bouges.
C'est tout? Arrête toi. C'est moi, je t'avais dit. Ok.
Tu as enregistré?
Ah, ils ont
Delicious. On dirait qu'ils ont mis petit beurre dedans.
C'est tellement
Ils ont mis petit beurre dedans.
C'est ce que je dis, on dirait biscuit là.
Petit beurre.
Le mari a fait goûter.
Un dernier mot encore, s'il te plaît.
Bébé sexy.
C'est tout.
Un dernier petit goût.
comment on appelle ça? Viens goûter aussi.
Ah, Mariam,
Attends, je goûte.
un dernier petit goût pour moi.
Il va l'enregistrer.
Enregistré de toute façon.
Va aller quoi?
Tu vas revenir quand? Donne à Binti aussi, elle va goûter. Et Simsi n'a pas goûté. Simsi, c'est bon maintenant. Toi aussi, Simsi, donne. Sexy, but how was that?
Yes.
Happy birthday to me.
Sorry.
2 hours later.
Oh my god, look at my beautiful cake from Amina. Thank you, Amina. Thank you, Amina. I'm really happy. And this cake is so cute. I don't even want to open it, you know. Oh, it's so sweet. Thank you. I don't want to cut. Should I cut? Let me cut at the back. Bismillah. Ooh, it's so soft. Yay. Yum. Let me. Oops. We'll try. They want to make me fat today.
It's nice?
It's nice. Definitely.
Definitely, yeah?
Yeah.
Not just good look, it tastes nice also.
Nice. Where did you buy? It's so nice. Let me have some again.
Okay.